Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're well in this beautiful evening. Today I'm glad to be in this wonderful class. Thank you to my honorable sir for giving me such an opportunity to say something before you. So today I'm delighted to talk about my family who have been the cornerstone of my life. My family consists of four members: my father, my mother, and my younger brother. I'm Afrin Monami. I'm a student of class 7 in Collectorate School and College. My father's name is Monam Hussain, and he is a chartered accountant and serves as a DGM at the Nodibang Construction Limited. He has consistently demonstrated integrity, diligence, and leadership, and has also inspired me to strive for excellence in every endeavor. My mother's name is Ajunahar Begum, and she has dedicated her life as a primary school teacher. She has not only nurtured her students but also our family with love, patience, and wisdom. I also have a younger brother named Yusha Mahadi. He is 7 years old and a student. He has brought immense joy and laughter into our home, making every day brighter. My family has taught me essential values such as honesty, discipline, empathy, and respect for the elders. These lessons has helped me to become compassionate and responsible individual. Thank you again to my honorable sir for giving me the chance. I'm always blessed, proud, and blessed to be in this family. Thank you all.